We have been working jolly hard recently, so today we are going to do a super fun project. We are going to make a pop-up Halloween card. I'm going to use some cardstock that I bought from Staples, but watercolor paper works just as well. Most important, you choose your envelope because you do not want to make a card that's too big for your envelope. I actually had to cut down to fit this envelope. Take your sheet of cardstock and you're going to fold it in two and give it a nice crease. I now put on my owl spectacles. In the middle of your card, you're going to mark two marks, roughly sort of equidistant in the center and about an inch deep, and we're going to cut these. A spoon works really well for creasing the fold. And now you just pop out that little step. To cover this hole, as I've done here, I'm just going to cut a rectangle from an old catalog. Like this blue paper with the brown. So now you measure carefully where to put your cover piece of paper, and then you glue it onto the card. So the back of your card looks like this, and you can decorate it if you wish. I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm going to make an owl for the interior. It has to be this length or slightly less, otherwise he'll show outside the card. So you want to draw him and then you cut him out, and then I just measure to make sure that he fits nicely. Okay, he's good. I cut out my owl and I measure him for size, and now I have the fun of decorating him. I like to use my Sumi ink and my P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White to decorate the owl. And I decorate the interior of the card with some bare winter trees. While I'm waiting for my trees to dry and before gluing the owl on, I can make an envelope as you just saw. Now this is optional, but I make another owl for the front of the card. This card is finished. And isn't he wonderful? And I even made an envelope while I was waiting for something to dry for it to mail in. So you now have your fabulous Halloween card ready to send off, and I hope you enjoy this.